Most loved, therefore most hated. Hey, no ins and outs.
You come out, your shit is gone. Bitch.
Going back to Tangier with some Jordans and a spear. Post-Christian shit, post-chicken or the egg addiction shit. Reality. Be the freak you wanna see, just don't follow me. Grab your fucking chain and drag it to the bike lane. Everybody's like, I got this pregnant state. My long hair. From maniacs and spiral stairs. Make you wanna break in the Apple store. Right boys, dick. Gaga can't handle this shit. Growing for black hole of dangers of linens and things on the way. Never call it a day. These are Tesla's great for the nighttime today. Think away. JPEG to the head, Uber Eats, you're an intern, I'm WikiLeaks. I'm a knock on the door, we've been waiting for you. Game changer, reclusive aggressive, yin and yang, you know it. Info warrior, check a hacker. Disaster, my existence is a momentary lapse of reason. Got the DNA of Gothic lemon, shredded 13 times out of 11. Ideas of the ATM, shed my skin, leave it for the homeless to sleep in. Teaching bitches how to swim. 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 The table's flipped, now we got all the coconuts, bitch. The cray, ultra contrary on. Having conversations with your car alarm. When you come out, your shit is gone. Soon your crew will be serving sandwiches named after me. Vietnamese style food, please. You speak of us in certain circles, you will be dethroned or detained.